In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add a YouTube subscribe button in WordPress. Do you want to get more subscribers on your YouTube channel? Having a subscribe button on your blog makes it easy for your visitors to find your videos and subscribe to your channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to add a YouTube subscribe button on your WordPress website. To add the button, first we need to configure it. Now, the first thing you need to do is visit the YouTube subscribe button page on the Google developer's website. Now, you can add the channel name here or just paste the channel ID. You can find your channel ID in the YouTube Studio. Next, choose a layout for the button. Then choose the theme for the button from here. And you can select here if you want to display the subscriber count or not. And all the while you're making changes, you can see the preview of the button in the bottom. Now, copy this code. And now I'm going to add this to the website. So, back in the dashboard, go to Appearance, then click on Widgets. Drag and drop the text widget on the sidebar. And let's give this widget a title. And then change the view mode from visual to text. And paste the code here. Then click on Save. And done. Now, back to the website. I'm just going to reload the page. And as you can see, the YouTube subscribe button was added on the sidebar. When your viewers click on it, they'll get redirected to your YouTube channel. This is how you can add a YouTube subscribe button in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.